So let's talk credit. Nobody wants to see a denial game over screen when you're applying for a mortgage because of your credit report. Pay all of your accounts on time. That's number one. It's common sense, but it's the most important factor. Definitely try not to go over 30 days late. That's when they appear on your credit report. Keep the balances on any of your revolving accounts, credit cards, around 20% of the credit limit or less. Pay them off once you get the bill in the mail or in email. Wait till that balance reports to a credit bureau so you can build that credit and then pay it off every month and then repeat. Use it up to about 20% of your limit. If you have no credit at all, start off with a secured credit card. Do a Google search for good, reliable companies that offer secured cards. You put a few $100s in the bank with them, they'll give you a credit card, a starter card with that same credit limit. Go out and wisely use it. Don't pay it late. 20% of the limit, pay it off, and you'll see your score improved. I like to see people avoid being on an authorized user with a friend, family member on a card. We underwriters love to see your own credit instead of someone else's credit as far as when applying for a mortgage. Collections, judgments. It's nice to see that these are settled at times. Please check with your loan officer before paying anything off, though. We may want to keep that money in your checking or savings account to make that part of you stronger. So check with us before paying off any collections or judgments, and we'll guide you from there. We'll have you look at the non-medical collections first to knock those off if they will help, as opposed to your medical bills. Medical is a little more forgivable. Any disputed account, before you apply for a mortgage, resolve all of your disputed accounts. Remove them from disputes. We will need that removed or resolved because that will take that account out of play when it comes to your credit score. An underwriter will see that. We will see that. It needs put back into play. We need to judge your full credit amount, all your credit history with every account on there. So remove anything from a dispute before you apply or resolve that dispute. If you co-sign for anybody, heads up, it's going to be on your credit report. You co-sign for a daughter, a friend, a family member. Oh, well, they're making payments. It's their car. It's yours. It's on your report. So be aware of that. Avoid co-signing for anybody if you're planning on buying a house. Co-sign after you buy the house. Wait till after you close. I don't love the self-reporting utilities that I see on some credit reports. I don't hate it, but I would just rather see your own credit, your own accounts on there as far as credit cards or installment loans. Significant negative credit events like a bankruptcy, foreclosure, judgment, we will need to see those documents. Your bankruptcy initial filing papers, your discharge page, that's important. That's when we start the clock countdown when you can buy another home. Any kind of foreclosure, we need to check that out and see when that house transferred from your name back to the bank. So keep that in mind. We'll need full documentation on those items as well. If you did have a bankruptcy, it is important to reestablish your credit afterwards. You can't just file bankruptcy, wipe everything out, and then wait for a certain period of time and apply for a major item like a mortgage. You need to build things back up. And that's when I told you to get those 1 or 2 secured credit cards to start building up some history and building up your credit score again. And after you have applied for a mortgage, please try to avoid having your credit report checked. We will know. Do not open another line of credit. We will know. Wait until after you buy the house to get those appliances, furniture, go to a big box store and get one of their credit cards for a discount. That will be a notification that goes to us, and we'll have to document all of that. Thanks for listening. Hope the info has been helpful. I am going to get back to trying to beat my high score from 1982 at Richland Mall Aladdin's Castle on Pac-Man. We'll see you down the road, and good luck.